So one piece of good news, I did get parts finally for up here. So, come on. I know it's not the best oil, but it's what I got maybe. Anyway. So I can now hopefully, well, I know I can. Put the holders in that hold the chuck in place. So I had these since before the start of the year. Had the screws, which use, let's see if they use the same hex head as everything else over here. Yes, same hex head, but what I was missing, I should have springs. Yes. The spring. And then what I was waiting on were these, which are the pins, the retaining pins. The little bitty pins, about that big, on back order for months. So the way it works, it's not neutral. You take your retaining lug, you slide it in so that you can see it. You can see where the lug that goes in there will sit. You then take your pin. There's a screw hole over here. I'll show you in a second. And it just drops in and engages with the groove on the with the lug. And its job is just to hold it in there so it just doesn't go anywhere. And then you drop in a screw behind, or you drop in a spring behind it to put tension on it, but not too much. And then you drop in one of the screws. I can hear the springing. There you go. And now, this doesn't go anywhere. I can push on it. I gotta oil that some more. And then I can use a lug tool to turn that. So, yay, progress. I'm not gonna do all that on camera. I was just showing you real quick while I was waiting for something else to cool off. So, anyway, thanks for watching.